in which I will unpack and maybe review the Asus Zenbook I just got. So it's one of the latest one, as you can probably not read because the image is inverted. It's a 32 gigabytes RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD. Well, with quite a good graphic card, although the same one as the upcoming Microsoft Surface Pro 4 that is will be out in February next year. So it should be pretty good, and it's to replace my old Zenbook that is already 4 years old. So to open it, first we have to get rid of this scotch that is not allowing us to open. I will use my scissors to remove it. This seal, is it coming up? Oh, that's a hard one. Here we go. So yeah, the scotch is not now out, so I can open. Here we go, and here it is, my beautiful new Asus Zenbook. Oh, very beautiful case actually. As you open it, it takes the laptop a little bit up, so you can enjoy it. I will take it. Oh, manual is right under, so I have the new laptop, my Asus Zenbook 13, so it's a 13.3 inches. As they mention here, with a high contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1, with HDR support. It's adjusted to reduce the blue light ratio, with 70% reduced low blue light. It takes care of your eyes with flicker-free low blue light. Okay, sounds good. It's a very lightweight laptop, only 1.1 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken. So what else do we have in this beautiful box? As you can see here, this piece is coming up to show you the laptop as you open the box. So here I have some information. I bought it in Poland, so everything is in Polish. A small a bit of information about the connectivity. Okay. My Asus. Okay, they want me to register on the Asus online website. The warranty card. So it comes up with 2 years warranty from builder. The warranty card is in Russian, in Polish, and in English. Okay. Okay, what else? So how to get rid of this? I remove the carton. Under the carton, I have the charger. Oop. Whoa, very nice. I have charger and adapters. Oh, that's perfect. So actually, I was thinking about buying a jack to a USB-C connector, but I don't need one because it's given with the laptop. So you have a jack to a USB-C connector because there is no jack input. You have HDMI, 2 Lightning, so USB-C connectors, and on the other side you have 1 USB connector and 1 micro SD card input. That's all. So you have this very nice jack to USB-C connector. What's this? This is an Ethernet to USB connector to connect to internet. Well, I have Wi-Fi only, so I don't need. And of course, the charger, that is quite lightweight and is USB-C. So it's very nice, but most of it is USB-C. It's very useful nowadays. Yeah, so I can charge it with USB-C. That's all I have here. And what else do I have here? There is something hidden behind. I don't want to break it yet. Not just yet. Okay. So how to get rid of it? I think I have to open here. Hey, whoa. Okay, I have to open the carton here, and now that I have opened carton, I can access this that was hidden behind, and that's all. So, oh, there's a pouch, a laptop pouch with it. Okay, beautiful. That's a nice touch. So, protective laptop pouch is included, and that's all. Well, let's try to make the carton looks good. Okay. So yeah, so that's it. The Asus Zenbook 13 inches is now unpacked. Beautiful, very light. 1.1 kilo. Maybe we can double check it here. It should be written somewhere. I'm not sure where, but yeah, it's very light. It's perfect. It's very thin, so easy to transport. No problem. And also inside the laptop, as you might not see, there is actually also a protective sheet for the screen. So yeah, that's it. The Asus laptop is now unboxed. It's quite a nice one, and I will see you in the next video for a review of the Asus Zenbook 13 as I turn it on, I connect it to the internet, and I start using it. So a beautiful product, a very nice box, very nice case, and also a very good price. So I bought it for the equivalent of 1,200 euros for again 32 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, quite good graphic card. It's about twice less as most of its competitors with 32 gigabytes RAM, which is hard to find at the moment. And the main reason for this very good price is the screen resolution. So it's not a touch screen, and the resolution is only 1920 by 1080. So it's less than its competitors, but for me that's already what I have on my current ultrabook. I do not need more. So especially for the price, twice as less as other laptops, it's a very good price. So I jumped on it as soon as I saw the offer. The retail price was 1,350 euros, and just as I was browsing some website on weekend at night, they came up with an offer with minus 150 euros if you buy it during the night. So of course I jumped on the opportunity, and I got this beautiful new laptop. So see you soon for another video of the Asus Zenbook 13 review. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for other videos. Thank you, and see you soon.